Alright, now, good video. Starting now. Ow. Don't throw mulch at me! You know what? You asked for it. I think you need to hold this.
Go on, Nate. Jump the fence like a fugitive.
You better run. Beat the crap out of you guys. Oh, like that's gonna keep me?
Yeah, it is, woman.
That's why you better run.
Yeah, you're right. You are a woman.
Showed him. I got stuff in my hair. Oh, great. Whew. You did not just videotape that!
Yeah, I did.
Stop videotaping.
I'll videotape this loser.
What? Oh, yeah,
I said you're a loser. Don't even start. That's a perfectly good film here. Hey.
No! Don't let him see my secret! Oh.
You suck!
I can touch the ground.
Where?
Oh, this hurts me.
How do I stop recording?
Well, don't stop recording yet.
I'm so desperate I need to make a fake video.
Shut up.
I just attacked him.
I'm so startled.
Well, that's way too close to your face. Make it more back up.
I'm so startled.
Yeah.
Oh God, no, it came back.
Hey, be nice.
Oh, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, Eric. It's a
I
sheep.
kind of made it look like those shots from Cloverfield when people are running
whatever.
away, you know, and you see their feet.
Oh, yeah.
Whee!
I'm going to go out, people. Bye.